Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make potato soup. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 4 to 6 russet potatoes, 4 rashers of bacon, a medium yellow onion, 4 cups of chicken broth, 3 cups of half and half or whole milk, a half cup of sour cream, a half cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a quarter cup of butter, a third cup of flour, a tablespoon of dried chives, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. We'll start by rinsing and peeling our potatoes. Then we'll peel and dice our onion, and dice our potatoes into approximately 1-inch cubes. Next, we'll heat a large pot over medium heat and cook our bacon until crispy, about 3 minutes per side. Once our bacon's done, we'll set it aside on a paper towel to drain. Then we'll melt our quarter cup of butter and saute our onions until translucent, about another 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once our onion's cooked, we'll add our tablespoon of garlic and saute until fragrant, about another 30 seconds. Then we'll sprinkle in our third cup of flour. We'll stir this constantly until we have a blonde roux, about a minute. Then we'll add our 4 cups of chicken broth, 3 cups of half and half or whole milk, our diced potatoes, our tablespoon of dried chives, and a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. We'll heat this until it just begins to simmer, and then reduce heat to medium-low, and allow our soup to simmer, stirring occasionally, until our potatoes are done, about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, we'll crumble our bacon, and add half of our crumbled bacon, a half cup of sour cream, and a half cup of shredded cheddar to our soup. We'll allow this to cook, stirring occasionally, for an additional 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll remove our soup from the heat, ladle it into bowls, and garnish with some additional cheddar and the remaining half of our crumbled bacon. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.